Turns out Claude can now actually watch videos. Not read the transcript, watch it. A YouTube video, a TikTok, an Instagram reel, anything with a link. There's a skill that makes it happen, and I'll show you what it does, how it works, and how to set it up yourself. Links in the description. Here's the problem it solves. For the longest time, if you wanted Claude to understand a video, you fed it the transcript. And that works, kind of. But there's always a piece missing, the visual side. The transcript tells you what was said, nothing about what was shown. The diagram, the demo, the B-roll, and the naive fix, just screenshot the video, falls apart fast. The old way grabs 100 frames across the whole thing. On a 1-hour video, that's 1 frame every 36 seconds. On a 10-hour course, 1 frame every 6 minutes. Claude's basically reading the transcript with a few random screenshots, and it skips almost everything on screen. So here's the clever part. A video is really just 2 things, frames and a transcript. The transcript's easy. The frames were the problem. So instead of grabbing frames on a timer, this skill uses scene detection. It plants a frame every time the picture actually changes. A new slide, a cut, a demo. And where nothing cuts, like a screencast, it keeps steady coverage, so no step slips through. It catches the moments a timer skips. For audio, if it has captions, like most of YouTube, it pulls them free. A TikTok or reel with none, it falls back to whisper. And when Claude's done, it asks how you want it. A clean report you can open in any browser, a note straight into your Obsidian second brain, or both. Either way, the video you watch today becomes something you can come back to. Setting it up is genuinely simple. Grab the repo link, drop it into Claude, and it clones itself. Then you type /watch and paste a URL. Let's try one, a Carpathy video. It downloads it, extracts the scene change frames, pulls the transcript, and watches the whole thing while you keep working. When it's done, you get the full report, the key concepts, the visuals, everything that was on screen. That's the skill. The link's in the description, and it's free. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up the second brain it plugs into. See you there.